Malaysia by winning seven gold medals and one silver medal for the eight categories he participated in 2000 World Championship of Performing Arts in Hollywood, USA. He has been awarded the Best Original Composition, Best Solo Performance in both Canadian Arts Awards in 2004 and 2019. He has been mentioned in top five history textbooks as one of the most loved figures in the film. As a composer, he has released 8 albums to date. He is the founder and president of Florida Community Arts Center. He helps music bring people together across areas of race, color, creed, and class. Congratulations, sir. The next recipient, Mr. Sambatrao Verma. Mr. Sambatrao is the founding member of Dr. Ambedkar Welfare Organization, Malaysia. Currently, he is the treasurer of the association. He has participated actively in various UN conventions in countries such as UK, France, Canada, USA, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, and India. Mr. Sambatrao, a key member, leads by and propagates teachings of Dr. Ambedkar in Malaysia. Congratulations, Mr. Sambatrao. Our next recipient, Miss Tina Muralidharan. Tina Muralidharan is an engineer and a medical doctor. She is also an icon of Malaysia. She is part of the pair of the national number one river level badminton team. Among some of her outstanding achievements, she won the national river single champion in 2017. Swiss Open Women's Doubles champion in 2021. In 2022, Commonwealth Games team event champion, Commonwealth Games individual champion, and France Open 750 champion. Congratulations, champion Tina Muralidharan. Next recipient, Nisha Pritika Babu. Nisha Pritika Babu, a 10-year-old from Natalie Girls School in Oklahoma, is making significant strides in various ways, showcasing exceptional talent and dedication at a young age. Despite their young age, Nisha's philanthropic endeavors are noteworthy, particularly her authorship of the Children's Diary Journal incorporating Himalayan insects. Through this project, Nisha is raising fund of 10,000 ringgit for the Children Cancer Association, Malaysia. Nisha is also working in advocating for children's mental health, seeking to integrate mental health education into the Malaysian school curriculum through her research and talk on a report. Congratulations, Nisha. And the final recipient will be Dr. Piriswamy Muriswamy. Dr. Piriswamy Muriswamy was inspiration for the formation of Dr. Ambedkar Welfare Organization Malaysia, OAI in Malaysia. He is also a founder member and deputy president of AIM Malaysia. He was the chairman of the organizing committee of the second AIM conference held in India in 2011, and the organizing chairman of Ambedkar Birth Anniversary celebrated in 2021. He has held almost all the celebrations in Malaysia, namely Tamu Ose, Malaysia London, Mata Ose, and Panama. He was also the executive committee member in Malaysian Newspaper Publisher Association, committee member of Public Radio Council, and member in Malaysia Press Club. Congratulations, sir. Dr. Ambedkar அவர்களுடைய விருதுக்கு நம்முடைய விழாவில் பெரிய அளவில் கண்ணியம் Because of the International AI Coding Club, Miss University of India, Dr. Sushant Yogi, Miss Harmony, Miss Kawatanaka from Japan, Miss Kalanam from Canada, Miss Prabhu from Australia, Miss Kate USA, Dr. Sri Kambi from Brunei, Mr. Ajit from Singapore, Mr. Manish Trey, UK, last but not least, Mr. Sujit Harade from Mumbai, India. Ambedkar's advocacy for social justice, equality, and empowerment resonates and reflected in Malaysia through the profound leadership of Dr. Anwar Ibrahim. Congratulations, Dr. Pada industri bermain pelajaran dia, maka ambil teori ini namun yang berbeza KPP atau kembali di kita. We invite all these representatives to the stage for a brief participation and followed by a full session. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, before we end, allow me to share that this event would not have been this economic success without your presence and cooperation. Thank you very much.